Here is the #1 update you need to make to your gaming setup. If you're still using the same old massive keyboard from 2015, it's time to upgrade. Times are changing, and so should your setup. Here are 3 amazing 60% keyboards you should buy to enhance your gaming experience. At number 3, we have the Mage G, portable 60% mechanical gaming keyboard. This compact keyboard features a sleek white design and 68 keys, perfect for gaming on the go or decluttering your workspace. It's equipped with responsive red switches for precise keystrokes and PBT pudding keycaps for durability. At number 2 is the RK Royal Kludge RK61. This ultra-compact keyboard in stylish white is a game-changer. With 60% size, it saves space and is perfect for gamers on the move. The hot swappable red switches provide a satisfying typing experience. The RGB backlighting takes it to the next level, adding a vibrant touch to your gaming setup. And at number 1 comes the Razer Huntsman. This keyboard comes in at a steeper price, but is worth it considering its capabilities. Featuring fast, clicky optical switches, every keystroke is ultra-responsive and precise. The Chroma RGB lighting adds a mesmerizing touch, allowing you to customize your keyboard's look to match your mood or gaming setup. Plus, the durable PBT keycaps ensure your keys stay in pristine condition even during intense gaming sessions. With onboard memory, you can take your personalized settings anywhere you go.